All of us are tuned in the F1 series and the entire game that happens. That addiction has spread, so it was only me and Naisha. My name is Avinash Khanna, born and brought up in Mumbai. Mumbai is Janambhumi and Karambhumi both. So I work in the admin and procurement space. I am a director there.
Myself, Pratika Khanna. I am born and brought up in Nagpur. ऐसा था कि कुछ चेंज चाहिए, लेकिन फिर हमें इंटीरियर में जो कंफर्ट था, इसीलिए फिर हमने क्रेटा ही सिलेक्ट किया.
2017 was the first Creta that I picked up. This is my third Creta. I have been a Creta fan all through. Cousin Network teased me as a brand ambassador for Hyundai. That's how it is. The one that I picked up is much better in terms of the looks. So I think, they've done a fantastic job on the color as well. The emerald green. When there is sun, it looks green. When there's a direct light coming onto it, black sometimes. It has all the components that you need on the exterior, so no upgrades or anything needed. There are different terrains like mud, snow and rainy. It's very reliable when it comes to the streets. I have a daughter, her name is Naisha Khanna. She is 13 now. She loves to go on long drives and loves to paint, who loves to draw.
वीकेंड नहीं चाहते हैं तो घर पे ही मूवी टाइम होता है.
She will create an ambience into the house. Like a ticket and a lot of other stuff.
Mostly it is a comedy movie, but sometimes we watch horror movies as well. I am the one who chooses the movie for every movie night.
Then make some popcorns, do some stuff with them.
क्रेटा में ही ज़्यादा कंफर्ट फील हो रहा था लेग रूम के हिसाब से, तो इसीलिए फिर हमें क्रेटा ही पसंद है. जब हम हमारी डॉटर के साथ होते हैं तो म्यूजिक वही चूज करती.
It's a blessing, honestly, the rear camera. The way it is placed is very appropriate. The entire vision is nice. I don't bother charging the phone because I know, the wireless charger will help me. The whole cluster box is very well placed. I think in the service space, they're doing a good job because what they do is there's an immediate group that gets created. You get live pictures of what is happening with Hyundai, typically the Hyundai Creta. We've been a part of it for almost 8 years and it's been an amazing journey. Both of us would like to wish happy 10th anniversary Hyundai Creta.